So now I'll show you how to do a pack down. First thing to do is unhook your fly sheet bungees and take out your 3 pegs. Once you've got the 3 pegs and the 3 bungees out, it's time to take your fly sheet off. You will have noticed that for quick release you can just do the clips and leaving the C-clips on there, but when we're packing up you don't want to keep your C-clips on the ratchets, so we're going to unhook everything. So take them off by the C-clips. I'm going to leave the tail on for the moment. I'm going to pull the 2 front corners off because I'm going to use the tail anchored to help me fold the fly sheet up. So I've got the tail clipped over there. I've got the 2 front corners and I'm just going to fold the fly sheet in half, find the halfway point so I can fold it in half again, and then one more time, and then at that point I'm going to lay it down on the ground. I'm going to unhook the tail and I can just lay that one over there. Now I'm going to roll it towards the front, pushing all the air out as I go. Of course, you want your fly sheet to be dry on the inside and the outside when you're packing it away. If you're forced to pack up in the rain or early morning dew, then you will want to air your fly sheet out when you get home. And when you get to the clips, you want to bend those over to the side, otherwise they will damage your fly sheet. So always keep your C-clips to one side or the other. And then what I do is, before I get to the end, is I actually back roll, which will give you a neater finish. And then you find your clip bracelet, put it over there, clip it on, cinch it tight, and fly sheet's ready. So you just have to push towards the tent, unclip the pole, and let it come out. And then slide them out. I tend to break them from the middle, which puts less strain on the internal elastic if you break them from the middle. Once you've got them all broken up, you just put them back in the pole bag. Take the strap out of the tidy, and because this is under a lot of pressure, you don't want to undo that probably and get your finger caught in the recoil. So what you can do is you can take the tail and pass it through the lock and the handle at the same time, making yourself a longer handle. Yeah, and then you can use the handle to pull the lock up and just walk it round, and then give it a tug with one hand and a smack with the other, and you're ready. And then a little wiggle will loosen the cinch knot, and then just take the ratchet out of the loop and just pull the loop out of the D-ring. 3 of those, and then we're going to clean up the straps. So we're just going to pull it free of the tree, tail out of the loop, and then what I usually do, coil up the whole thing. And once you've got that coiled, you can get the other 3 and finish it off. Then we've got our 3 straps, 3 ratchets, and we're ready to roll the tent. So take a corner, one of the 2 front corners, so you've got the door there, the front door, and fold it in half. Then grab both corners, come back over to halfway, like that, and take the tail in, walk it down past the front and then flip it back. And then you want to take the hatch side and flip that over, because when you roll it, you want the hatch to be on the inside of the roll. I'm going to do the same thing where I do a bit of a back roll to protect the mesh. Stingray into the bag. We've made this bag nice and big. 3 ratchets into their bag. Three straps, 1, 2, 3. Three pegs, the poles, and the fly sheet. Leave no trace, last minute check. Everything in. Okay, that's Stingray Safari packed up. Cheers.